Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we'll explore a key concept that is fundamental to our understanding of Introduction to Physics. Certainly, let's delve into the exciting world of physics and start with an introduction to this fundamental science. What is physics? Physics Sci. As a branch of science that seeks to understand and describe the fundamental principles governing the universe. It is a discipline that explores the behavior of matter, energy, and their interactions. In essence, physics helps us unravel the mysteries of nature by providing explanations for the phenomena we observe. The historical context. In the 19th century, physical sciences were categorized into 5 distinct disciplines: physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology, and meteorology. Among these, physics stands out as the most fundamental. Why? Because physics forms the foundation upon which the other sciences are built. Physics and technology, a symbiotic relationship. One of the most fascinating aspects of physics is its strong connection to technology. Scientific discoveries and inventions in the field of physics have paved the way for the rapid progress of science and technology in recent years. Let's explore this relationship. 1. Technological applications. Many of the technologies we use in our modern society are directly related to the principles of physics. Consider everyday devices like cars, refrigerators, and even your mobile phone. These gadgets rely on principles of mechanics, thermodynamics, and electromagnetism, all of which fall under the purview of physics. Example 1. A car operates based on principles of mechanics. Its engine, transmission, and braking systems are all rooted in the laws of motion and energy. Example 2. A refrigerator uses thermodynamics to cool and preserve food. Example 3. Your mobile phone harnesses principles of electricity, magnetism, and even quantum physics to enable communication, store information, and perform various tasks. 2. Everyday life. Physics is deeply ingrained in our daily lives. Think about the pulleys that make it easier to lift heavy objects, or the electricity that powers not just our lights and heaters, but also the mechanical systems that drive fans and electric motors. 3. Transportation and communication. Modern transportation, such as cars and airplanes, relies on physics principles like aerodynamics and mechanics. Similarly, our means of communication, including radio, TV, and the internet, are the results of applications of physics. The dark side: ethical considerations. While physics has contributed significantly to improving our quality of life, it has also been responsible for negative consequences. 2 notable examples are: 1. Environmental pollution. Some scientific inventions have led to environmental pollution, harming ecosystems and human health. For instance, the burning of fossil fuels, driven by the principles of combustion and thermodynamics, has resulted in air pollution and climate change. 2. Deadly weapons. Physics has also been pivotal in the development of destructive weaponry, from the atomic bomb to advanced missile systems. The ethical implications of such inventions cannot be ignored.